Hi, I'm Matt, and this is my husband, Patrick.
This is my Grandma B's famous Arroz con Pollo, or chicken and rice. It's funny, we're a very Spanglish family, but we pretty much only call it chicken and rice.
Oh, we like salt bay it? How much are we talking? Just a little bit more.
My grandma makes this every year for Christmas Eve. That's our big Christmas celebration with my family. Obviously, you can take it off using a fork and a knife. I personally like the texture of shredding it by hand.
It's more fun to rip it up.
Yeah, we used to sit around the table and do this with her.
Oh, did she put you to work as a little kid?
Oh, I mean, all of us have been taught a trick that you put in one grain of rice, and if it easily moves around, then the oil's hot enough to put in the rest.
So when it's hot, it dances.
Just like me. Done. Getting the rice perfect is the hardest part.
Should I be stressed?
I mean, obviously. Other dishes come and go, but there's always two things. My uncle's margaritas and my grandma's rice.
And I've had the margaritas, but this will be my first time having the chicken and rice. I'm excited.
So now we've gone from the light brown to the golden brown, which means we're ready to put in the sauce.
Okay, I got this. Oh, I think I really nailed that.
You can obviously use a measuring cup to put in the water, but she actually would just use the nifty little trick of refilling the sauce can twice, and then that's about as much water as you want.
Nice. I'm so hungry. This smells amazing.
I know. I skipped lunch.
Why would you do that?
Because I knew we were gonna have this.
But this was gonna take a while.
Wow. I can't believe I haven't shared this with you yet.
I know. I feel like it's official now.
The Abby's chicken and rice. She adds in a few things that you wouldn't traditionally see in an arroz con pollo dish, but she has peas and carrots in there, and really it started because she just wanted to add an extra color.
Oh, it's looking good.
Right?
Yeah, I think it looks real good.
I'm kind of happy that we waited until we were husbands, because it kind of makes it even more special that, like, okay, now you're really part of the club.
Aw, that's so cute. I feel like I'm getting closer to him by experiencing everything that he's grown up with, that he's learned from his family.
I need to make this more often.
Right? That's my food dance.
It's a nice one.
Oh, yes!